Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to your Phantom wallet. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you'll need to verify the network compatibility. Make sure you're transferring USDT through a network that's supported by your Phantom wallet. Next, grab your Phantom wallet address, open your Phantom wallet, click on the wallet address at the top and copy it. Now log into your Bitget account. Once you're in, navigate to the assets section. Select withdraw and then choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Enter your withdrawal details. Paste the Phantom wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient address field. Make sure to select correct network for the transfer. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. After the review details, confirm withdrawal. You might need to complete some additional security steps. Once that is done, just wait for the confirmation. The transfer take a little depending on network congestion. And that's all. Your USDT should be transferred to your Phantom wallet in no time. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.